Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and now we will talk about what is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies, and of course we will start with the leader of the market, Bitcoin, okay? And we will also talk about Ethereum. So let's go. As you know, I don't know if you saw yesterday's video. I hope for you did it. We are in this ascending channel, that has been going on since about, let's say, 21st of June, okay? And we are here on the 4-hour time frame, okay, guys? And of course, if you want to take, some action and trade and take advantage of the volatility in the markets, you can use my links in the description for Phemex and for Bybit. More than $8,000 of bonuses, and with my link you will always get the highest available bonus. Okay guys, so check the links in the description. And so let's check it on the 4-hour time frame. I told you yesterday, in yesterday's video, we were going up here, and we had this. Let me show you on the 1-hour time frame. First, this ascending channel here, and as you know, ascending channels are more likely to break to the downside. That's exactly what happened, and we somehow knew it because first of all, we have this resistance line here, and the stochastic RSI, it was already, so to say, on the top, and it crossed then down here. So it was not a big surprise, I have to say, guys, that we broke down here. And let's see what is going on right now. So as you can see, we had this descending channel, and usually a descending channel is more likely to break to the upside. But it's just more likely, and of course it's not guaranteed. So as you can see, we came down here because we have this first, the first support level is about this region, and then the $23,800 region, okay? And as you can see, if I show it to you on the smaller time frame, somehow the price is now sticking around this level here, okay? So this right now acts as a support level, and what could happen now? On the smaller time frames, you can see we are at this level now. And the stochastic RSI on the hourly looks pretty good so far. I would say we could go up, but we have this resistance here at about 24K, okay? Yes, but I think as of right now, we could go up at least until this level and touch it. The question is, will we be able to break through this resistance or not? Let's see. If you're not in a trade right now, I would just stand on the sideline and wait, because we have this resistance level here and here's the support. So we are somehow caught in the middle right now, as you can see, okay? So guys, right now, no trading setup, no really good setup. There's not really a chart pattern or so. This was yesterday a pretty good opportunity, and I showed you this in yesterday's video also. But yes, now we just have to wait and see. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum yesterday, let me show you the 4-hour time frame. We broke down below this 1765 support level, but we managed to go up again. And as you can see right now, we are somewhere exactly in the middle of this support and this resistance. This support is at about $1,800. And the resistance is up here at about $2,000, and the price is right now somewhere really exactly in the middle of $1,900. So right now, as you can see, the 4-hour RSI, stochastic RSI, is moving a little bit downwards. And as you can see, in the last couple of times when this happened, it went really down more and more. So we could also go down here now more, as you can see. On the 1-hour time frame, the 1 hour looks a little bit more bullish, I would say, so we could go up here, maybe retest the $2,000 level, but as of right now, we're in some kind of decision zone because we are exactly in the middle. So right now, no trading setup because there's also no valid chart pattern, that I would say we could trade this right now. Guys, that's why it's also important that you follow me on Twitter, because if I see some valid trading setup, some chart pattern, then I will post it there. So also check the links, Crypto Dealers, on Twitter. And that's how the market looks right now, guys, okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, Put them down in the comments and see you.